Hello guys, welcome to Know How To. So as you know that this is the channel where we provide so many computer related solutions and other stuff. So it has been very long time that I had uploaded my last video. I think it's been 3 years, but after reading the comments that you had written on the channel and the love that you had shared among us, it's amazing, and it realized me that we should continue creating such kind of videos. So in this video we'll see how to find out how long your computer has been on. So sometimes it happens that we left our computer and it's already in on mode. So how to find out? So there is a software that is running behind the scene. If we are going to log in into that software, then we can find out that it's been how much time that our software of our computer was on. So we'll see how to do it step by step. So here you can see there is a software known as Task Manager, so through which we have to find out that how much time it has been on. So there are many ways to open Task Manager. So for example, the first way is press Shift Control plus Escape. So on your keyboard, in the left side of the keyboard, there is this Control, Shift and Escape. I am pressing it down, so it will open this Windows Task Manager. So there is another way also. If you are going to click on Alt Control plus Delete, so for example, if I am going to click Alt Control and Delete, then a pop-up will come and it will have many options, out of which I have to select Task Manager. So suppose if I am going to click over here, then it will open the Task Manager again. Or else you can directly go to the search bar. There you can search Task Manager. So here, from here also you can open. You have to click on View Running Processes with Task Manager, or else you can directly right click on taskbar. So this is taskbar. If you are going to click over here, then you have to click on Start Task Manager. So this is my Task Manager. So what is Task Manager first of all? So Task Manager is a software which is running behind the scenes in computer, and it will carry all the tasks that are running as of now. So it will tell you how much your CPU has been used, how much memory is getting consumed as of now. So it will tell you all the stuff related with your computer. So here you have to go to Performance tab. So right now I'm in Performance tab only. So here you have to see over this uptime. So for example, in Performance, so here you will get CPU uses, that at this time if I am running n number of softwares in my computer, then as you know, each software will consume some kind of memory and it will consume some kind of CPU uses also. So it will tell you how much CPU has been used. It will tell you the memory, that how much memory my softwares are consuming as of now, and it will tell you about the system also. So inside system, if you see, there are a number of things like handles, threads, processes, uptime and commit. So this uptime is our area of interest. So in this uptime you can see that there is some value it is showing. So this is what we need to find out. This is the time till which your system was on. For example, here for me it is showing 2 hours 39 minutes and 9 seconds. So in this one you will get time in days, hours, minutes and seconds format. I will repeat myself. You will get time in days, hours, minutes and seconds format. So my system has been on for 2 hours 39 minutes. So this is how you can find out how to check that how much time your system was on. So this is a beginning of our videos, so we'll continue coming up with such kind of videos. And please like, subscribe, and keep on sharing and subscribe this channel. Thank you.